Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. Got a very special one, guys. It's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos, and my intro starts here. Right now, I'm going to visit my friend. Actually, I'm on this area, and it's totally bush, man. Look where I'm heading to. I'm heading to this way, guys. And in case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and comment, share, like. That's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. So right now I'm passing here. It was my very first time to pass on these bushes. Look, this is the kind of road that we have here. Look, it's passable. And then maybe somebody watching this video will say, oh, okay, no, Hello Baby, don't pass there. I'm telling you, man, it's passable. And then I'll pass here. I'm going to other side. So the crazy thing is, when I'm going that way, I'll pass, like, there's a river there, and then I'll jump over. No bridge, no nothing there. But man, I can't complain at all. I'm a village boy. So guys, I hope you're ready for this. Let's go. Come along with me. Look how it looks like. You can't believe this is a road. You know, look. You pass like that way. Oh man. Maybe somebody watching this video. Oh, Coco. It's slippery. It's very slippery, guys. But who is Yellow Baby? You see, guys, it's super green. Today is a calm day, and guys, to be honest, right now as I speak here, I didn't feel okay. Like on my last night, I sleep on one side, and then even I can't rotate my neck at 60 degrees, like going this way or that way. Never. So I feel pain here, guys. So that's the reason why for my premiere again, you'll miss my videos. But I'll make a short videos for you guys, and then you capture this. Imagine I'm passing here, and on this bush, maybe sometime a leaves like this, it will be a medicine, and then no one will know. But for the herbal, like local herbal, knows this kind of trees. Look, guys, I'm coming from other side. Try to imagine vlogging inside here, super green, and I have the clue that this is where animals drink water. Look how it looks like. Look, there's running water. Wow. Even I see some foots of the cow. You can't tell. Look, that's the foots for the cow. Look, hooves of the cow. You see down there? Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. See, guys, water is running. Breakage of the land. The land is breaking when it's too much rain right now here. Oh my God. I need to wash my hand. Like, when you go to a new place, you must touch the ground. You know. I'm telling you, for those people who did maybe adventure from one place to another, for the new places, when you go maybe in Tanzania, you touch the ground on Tanzania, and then you do like you touch here, and then you do like this. I can't wait to go in Mombasa, guys, soon. Before I start to build my dream house, I'll go first to Mombasa, and then a couple of days, and then I'll come back home. So to settle my mind down, and then boom, start construction. So I had some information on this water the cow drink. Look. So technically, guys, I'm thinking how to jump on other side. No gumboots. You see, guys, I'm on this open here. Let's try here. I'm trying, guys. And then I jump one leg here. Oh my god. Okay, let's go, guys. This is an incredible story from here. I'm not feeling okay, so that's the reason why maybe when you get the premiere again, for my premiere again, maybe it's 50-50 short videos or longer videos, guys. So I came to visit my brother here, and then he will take me to the big project. Hey, hello. And then we go this way, guys. So let's introduce everybody. Say hello to you guys right now. Maybe I'll start.
Yes.
No, lady first. Say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby Official. Remember to subscribe, to share the video, and to like.
Hey, you wear Astro Pay. Astro. The wolves.
Yeah.
And then I came to the owner of the house.
Yeah guys, what's up? Welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Gake, and guys, if you're watching this for the first time and haven't subscribed, kindly please consider by subscribing, liking and sharing. And to the new and returning subscribers of this amazing channel, may God bless you a million times. So today guys, Hello Baby has said that, Gake, I want to see where you'll be removing the water from during the time of the rainy season. Actually, Hello Baby, you see here we have two
Down
floors.
here?
We have this one, and we have the dam. This is the river. The distance is the same, but the only problem is that the road from the river to the other side,
possible.
and then no, it can be possible, but it's like climbing a hill. So the gasoline,
between here,
yeah, between here and the, like I'm saying about here, like climbing this is like a hip, so you will consume a lot of gasoline. But there the dam is a flattened place, so I think we shall be removing the water from the dam site, and during the time of the rainy season, actually we gather the water near at the roadside, so it depends. So I will say that let's start from this other side of the village. So here you go guys, keep watching the video, subscribe if you haven't, and let us support our brother Lord to 7,000 subscribers. Soon we'll be there.
right, guys. And over here, maybe it was my first time to give you a shout out.
For sure, bro, for
Free
sure.
of charge.
Actually, free of charge. Let me talk to this audience. In no camera. Yes. What's up, guys? Positive vibes always. This being underscore sassy from this side, and the sassy is SASI being underscore. There's no space. And bro, I'm so honored, and I appreciate to give me this chance to be in this amazing channel, guys. Oh my God, I can't complain. I've been just waiting this time. So let me nimwage maneno. But kindly,
Usimwage maneno sana juu nafaa kuvlog nikitembea.
yeah, for sure, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you are watching this, and it's your first time popping to your screen or whatever you are using to watch this, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, whereby all amazing vlogs from Hello Baby Official will never miss when it's posted. Popped one-on-one.
I see you in Kissy, bro. What's going on?
Yeah, man, I was in Kissy. Seeing them, you know, you have to change environment.
Lakini wewe jamaa usimtaje kwenye channel yangu
for
hapo.
sure, no problem. But you have to change environment. Being in Nyabohansi, then you rotate.
City boy. Alright, Mr. Gake. Okay guys, we have a new upcoming YouTuber here. She's a lady, guys. So maybe people can, oh, don't put a panga like this. This is a panga, guys. So they can subscribe to your channel. At who?
At African Village Bites, guys, we share lifestyle in the village. Yeah, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate a lot.
Wow, I like your courage, guys. Because a newcomer, I have a big courage to say subscribe to my channel. I'm who and who, whatever. Alright, they can subscribe at African
Village Bites.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, we share lifestyle in the village. Yeah.
I know most of the time ladies do cooking content and also maybe village lifestyle.
Yeah.
You know. But Hello Baby, all my videos, it's all about building and construction. Sometimes I travel. Wow. Boom. Guys, let me show you if you bought or if you buy the land, whichever the case, bought, buy, singular, plural, whichever the case. If you buy the land in Africa, now in back years, when you see these are markable of the sisal, it means you buy from this side to other side, and then it's have another maybe sisal, and then from other side it's for our neighbor. And then today I'm shooting my videos. It's a kind of an incredible story from here. I start from the river going that way, and I'm waiting my brother to keep give me company from here to this side. Uko tayari tu never bad. Okay guys, uko tayari mean uko tayari is a Swahili word. It means are you ready to go? Let's go guys. Woo! Boom. Right now I'm let's go. Okay, let's go. Want to see my young brother building the house. Actually guys, no competition here. We're just doing our own things by our own pace, you know. So maybe my brother today starts to build your mom's dream house, and me maybe after you finish, I'll start.
Yeah, maybe for now you can do the gathering of materials.
Yeah, I'm doing.
So that at the time by, you know, for example for me, I stop by and I start making some blocks, and also we have some bricks. Hey guys, the wind is blowing.
Yes, the wind is blowing.
Yeah, actually for now, let me say we have everything on the ground. It's only the labor and the work booms.
Boom. Yeah. Right now it's good to use we use the bricks.
Yeah.
Rather than blocks. Rather than bricks, you know bricks.
It has, let me say, you see guys, bricks. First of all, you give someone to do for you, and then secondly, you burn them, and then third, you transport toward your sites. You see, so that's a lot of cost. But about the blocks you can make for yourself, and also you are making them into the sites. You see, actually, it's cheaper than the buying of the bricks, and also the blocks takes the house faster guys.
Yeah. Maybe 3 to 4 days your house have already been completed. Let's put the minimum of 1 week.
Yeah, for
You
sure.
have already completed your house. So that's the reason why you see me, I'm trying to buy the blocks as much as I can.
Yeah.
But you know, sometimes when I get money, I feed my family here and there.
And also, one advantage of those your blocks is that you can try to get a good mason, so that they can do for you the actually there's a design whereby no needing of doing the plastering of outside.
Yeah, we do some key.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know as key?
Yeah, key.
Oh.
Yes. Sizona hizo mishipi za kupita kwa ukuta hivi. Zinaitwa key.
Alekani kuna mistari fulani.
Ndo hizo.
Wanajenga,
Key.
Oh.
That's a key.
Hey guys, maybe you can ask me the key.
It's
I
called
tell you.
T-key.
Or tiki.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes guys good you learn some new and amazing words.
Yeah.
So here you go guys, keep watching the video, subscribe if you haven't, and let us know guys what do you think about this amazing vlog.
Yeah guys, we keep going straight, and right now no roads on other side. That's a land, so we try to pass here. So maybe people from this region create the road on these beautiful trees. So we try to pass here and go and see what is going on. Today guys, I'm learning something new from my brother. Tomorrow he'll come at my home there, learning something new. So just share idea here and there as we grow, you know. Wow. Me all the time, man, I like the view for trees. Like, you see, like, look. Wow. Okay, let's go and see what's going on. And right now here no sunny because too much of the shade. Sometime you didn't see me clear, but Floyd vibe to the end. Wow. Okay, today I decided, you know what guys, let me pay a visit to my brother and see some improvements. Okay, we should go this way. Wow guys, Today it's a super calm day, chilling day, and from this side I'm just breathing fresh air, free of charge, no pay, no anything, right here. Woo. Well guys, if it was your first time watching my videos, please subscribe wherever you are, and soon I want to share with you or celebrate with you 7K subscriber. Every step I want to celebrate, every step, every single minute. Me, I'm the guy who appreciates the small something that I have. You know, when I turn maybe 8K subscriber, I celebrate. When I turn 10K subscriber, step by step, until one day I'll find my views goes to 100,000 subscriber. Whew. Boom. Wow. See guys, on the other side there's our neighbor, and when it's raining here guys, you can't pass here. Tunaenda straight ama hivi? Yeah? Okay. I'm asking him, should I go this way or straight? Tunaenda straight. Are we going straight or we can cross? But we didn't go cross. We go that way. Yeah. Guys, right now I'm not at home for my good subscriber. Today I changed the location, and if you're watching this video for the first time, you will see how people build permanent house and also semi-permanent house. And probably I'll join that videos. You see how people create a house, like semi-permanent house. When I'm saying semi-permanent house, I mean the house have been constructed with maybe this post and then iron sheet or zinc. And technically I know iron sheet, it's meant from zinc. So probably I will join these videos today, and then we'll see between the cost price of the permanent and also the cost price of the semi-permanent. So it's totally different things, two things. Maybe you spend a lot in terms of building semi-permanent. When I'm saying semi-permanent, is the home where I came from, that's called semi-permanent. But the permanent is which Gake going to build her mama, or is a house which I'm going to build at my mom's home or my dad's home, you know. So probably that videos, they're coming soon here. And me, I want to say thank you so much, because I'm free-hearted, I'm humble, I'm calm. You know, where I'm shooting these videos that is coming soon, it's one of my friend actually, and then he boosted my camera, my power bank, you know, like past 2 days, no electricity. So let's go. Woo! Ah, it's almost raining guys. Look other side. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I love this shirt, man. This color of shirts, like it's simple, you know. Like when it's too hot, you wanna wear this. When it's too cold, you wear this. Like it's try to balance the climate condition or climate changes. So we go this way. Wow. Going right there past this house on the other side. Oh man. Right here people are really farmer. 100% people are farmer here. Imagine from this side up to down, people are farmers guys. Whew. And for us in our village here, farming is our backbone. We value in terms of farmers guys, you know. Maybe for example, I'm not a farmer, but when I have money, I can buy maize from my neighbor, I can buy beans from my neighbor, you know, as long as within around my neighbors are farmers, we keep pushing each other. Whoa, Wow. So guys, this place that you see here, it's uncles to Gake aunts, you know, right now. So when I'm saying semi-permanent, I mean this kind of the house that you see here, you know. This is where I'm born and raised, on this kind of the house. But to be honest, me, I was born in the house of grass. Like on the roof, it's covered by grass. Man, woo! Okay. Sasa sikuja na simu. Kabidi niende tuwe wana kwenda nyumbani. Let's go. Okay, I see this is a nursery here.
Actually, you see this land over here?
Right here.
This land over here, we are supposed to do like for now I'm basing on, because we shall be doing here the construction. There's no need of I going to buy some veggies. So, and also I've said let this place be a kitchen garden, so that I can be planting different types of crops, e.g. onions, kales, spinach, cabbages, tomatoes, green pepper, carrots, coriander, different type of veggies, so that actually it can be helping. Maybe I'll be doing the removal of them, so that I can go and do the selling, because those are the type of the crops whereby they have ready markets. They have ready markets.
They are perishable or non-perishable?
I think is
non-perishable. Yes.
Especially they have ready markets, so I'll be plugging some of them. I go sell. I got some fund, and then that one will be going toward the other side of the construction. So I'm planning that these all lands to be a kitchen garden. There's a place where I've put the sticks.
Yes, I see from other side.
From the other side, so that's where the project will reach. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, come along with us. So my brother taking me to the project, and maybe tomorrow they wanna start, and then maybe if it's possible I'll be here.
Yeah, for sure. Actually, tomorrow we're gonna start. I'm planning that I put maybe six mason and 6 handman, so that actually the house can be raised.
So this is what you transport from your mama?
Yeah, actually this one, and I bought another one. And the reason that actually you're seeing there we have some blocks is that the let me say the
bricks.
Transportation of them is high.
Yeah, and then it's not maybe like concrete, it's cracking,
so
gets spoiled. Look at like this one here.
So actually that's the reason I say that okay, when I want to do the bricks, and actually you know about the blocks we made by ourselves, and then making of the blocks over here at the site, they usually they are easy to make, and also they are not that they cannot break easily. Maybe if a mason break it, so that you can use that piece to do the building. Yeah.
So take me to your project.
Yeah, actually you see the land. It started over there where the bricks are. It goes where the nursery beds are, and then it goes where the house is, that mud house reaches. So I decided that this other side of the compound is going to be a compound, but the other side I want to transform it so that it can be a kitchen garden. So
your mama house face this side or other side?
Actually it's faced downward, because from this other side is an amazing view. As you can just see, we have a hill over the other side, and
also not only view, also the fresh air coming from this angle.
Side, sure. So it will be facing this other side. And about this house, this house is, or its original plan is from the Anakemi. She assisted me with her plan, and then I take that plan, I renovate it, and then I create another plan on it. You see, so actually for her it is a 3-bedroom house, but for this is a 4-bedroom house, and with a total of 8 rooms.
This one?
Yeah, this is a total of 8 rooms.
And also you have extra room. Even you're gonna have your own room.
Yeah, actually, let me say it has 4 bedrooms. 2 master
No, no,
bedroom.
no.
Yeah.
We count only rooms. Apart from maybe kitchen, apart from maybe dining.
On the bedrooms.
Bedroom on.
The bedrooms are 4.
That's 4
Yeah,
bedroom.
that is 1 master bedroom for my mom, 1 master bedroom for my, one single room for my brothers, 2 brothers, and 1 single room for my sister.
Okay.
And then if you add those other rooms, they come to a total of 8. So if someone asks how many rooms this house has,
Like partition,
yeah,
there are
partition,
8.
there are 8.
Hey, my brother, you're killing me.
Yeah, for sure.
You're killing me, bro.
Actually, as you can just see, today's work, we are trying to backfill that house, that room, because we have done the backfilling initially, but this room it's remain over here. So actually today's work is they were to backfill, whereby they have already finished up. So they decided that because they're the one who they will do this work tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're going to have a lot of mason. So they want to put the blocks near, so that actually during the time whereby they will do the building is only taking, giving to the mason, you see. So that's how it is. So
And then you need to have like 5 wheelbarrow, 3 wheelbarrow for serving the sand.
actually over here the site we have 3 wheelbarrows. So I'm going to add maybe, let me say, 1 wheelbarrow. I'm going to add 1 because some of them they will use the buckets to do the transporting of the sand, and yeah, to do the transportation of the mortar, because there's a mortar contains sand, cement and water.
Na ulianzia block gani kupiga za kwanza?
Actually we start over those
Zile zimepakiwa pale. Sasa inabidi zije ziwe juu.
Why? Okay, so I'll be saying that actually
Because that one I see somehow it's not maybe concrete enough.
actually
We start with this one, wakimaliza hizi waende zile. Ndio ije we juu yake, sasa zile ziwe kwa length.
Oh, okay, that's
Yes.
great. So that's what it is, guys. So here's the what?
This is a sitting room.
Yeah, my brother is wondering.
Me, I'm just wonder. You know, right now you see this is a sitting room, like or a living room. It's a somehow too small, compressed.
Yeah.
But when they adjust the blocks, the house looks so big.
Actually, this house is big. Even the time I brought over here my popo, you see, actually, Gake, congratulations, this house is really big.
Big, bro.
Yeah, so actually from this other side, this is the front porch.
Which room we add? That
Okay,
one?
no, that one. Actually, after when I'll be giving you the tour of this house, I'll show you where this house was initially reaching, and then I'll show you the extra room. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, for sure. Actually, that's from the other farthest end, guys. That's the extra room. So this other side, this is the front porch.
Okay.
This is the front porch, whereby you will put over there. And actually, I was asking, in this house, they were supposed to put over here. You see where I'm standing by over here, a big door which you will start over here, and it reaches over here, somewhere here, and then a window. But actually, Mapopo tell me, not Mapopo, Kim, admits me the Gake, maybe you will do the
Sliding door.
yeah, the sliding door, so that actually it can be from this other side over the other side. What's your greatest opinion about that?
Okay, sometimes maybe the sliding door it's somehow expensive.
Yeah, for sure.
You do some maybe normal door, and then you put the window.
For sure.
So that window maybe you can put some glass.
Yeah, and then it's be bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
You know the reason why you put bigger window is maybe for allowing maybe enough light, fresh air, and then like if you film the video within here, when you open the window, it's occupy the space. You can take the view from outside, you know, and all stuff.
Yeah, that's how it is. So actually, we'll have here a big window and a big door.
Yes.
So here's where you'll be entering the door, the house. So here we have the main entrance. See?
That's a dining.
No, actually, now you see over here, this is now the sitting room or the lounge.
Where's the dining?
So the dining is all. Hey guys, hello baby is asking a dining. even not a.
Me, I'm an African man. I put food first.
Food first.
Yes.
So this is a sitting room or a lounge, and from the other side we have here a corridor. Or by this corridor, guys, will be taking us to the other side of the kitchen. This is the kitchen,
Here.
and then the dining. So initially we are having here a wall, but actually according how I'm seeing it, I want to make an open kitchen. You see?
If maybe somebody cooking there who's sitting on this lounge, they can see.
Yeah, they can see. what is being prepared.
But sometimes people need privacy, bro. Just put the wall.
No, that is
people need privacy.
That is a kitchen, guys.
It's a kitchen.
Yeah.
Need privacy, you know.
Okay. Maybe.
Yeah. Maybe sometimes you have the visitor here.
Yeah.
They want to cook in the kitchen alone. Nobody see him or her.
Yeah.
So they need privacy.
Yeah.
You just put the wall.
Okay.
Yes.
So actually from the other side, so this is now the
Kitchen.
and this is the
Dining.
Over here, this other side of the kitchen.
We have the porch.
Back porch.
Where?
Over here we'll have a back porch. And then this house is gonna have 3 doors. One over here at the
Kitchen.
One is the main entrance, and another one will be at my room. Actually, I will tell you the reason being why.
Room?
Yeah.
Okay, you have your outside door.
Yeah, I want to have my outside door. Yeah, I will tell you the reason being.
I know the reason. Maybe you operate your own things
for
and
sure.
all stuff. Yeah.
So actually from this other side, here is where my mom's master bedroom will be.
This one?
Yeah, so this is my mom's master bedroom, whereby actually over this other side we have here a walk-in closet and
This
a
one?
washroom. That's a washroom, and this is a walk-in closet.
Another side.
Yeah, from the other side. And
Okay.
this other side, guys, we'll have here this call will be taking us to
A walkway.
yeah, or a corridor. So we have here over here 2 rooms. When you see this is a bigger one, this is a smaller one. So this is for my 2 brothers, for my 2 siblings. But they will be staying over here. And from this other side it will be for my sister room. And actually this house was reaching over this other side. The house was reaching over here.
Here?
Yeah, here. So this was the initial toilet. But we said that actually you wanna want to expand it. One of my subscribers told me that Gake, actually let me add you some funds so that you can add up your room, because let me say for example you have visits to your mom and then it gets late. Will you sleep with your brothers, or will you sleep at the lounge or at the sitting room? So,
which is a kind of a crazy thing.
yeah, so and it's a she. So she told me the guy, okay, let me send you and kindly add your room.
So this is your room.
This is my room. So,
This is your toilet.
yeah, so this is my toilet.
Now
So
what
you
is
see-
this?
You see this toilet which was here, this was a public toilet. But we shifted it from the other side, we come and put it over this other side.
Okay. Sasa utakuwa nakujaje?
So they will be coming by this other side.
Going.
I will put here a door. I'll put here a door
Where?
entering my room where I am standing by. So I'll put here a door entering my room. And then now this other side,
You put a
I'll
door.
put a door entering the public
Okay.
toilet.
Your sister will become on this way like.
This other side, so here inside, my brothers inside.
Okay.
And then this is my room whereby, let me say, is a bed sitter. They call it a bed sitter, guys, whereby it has its own toilet.
Single room for bachelor.
Yeah. So, and actually, you see, now the reason is that I want to add the room, a door, so that even the time that we have come with you over here, no need for us passing by over the other side of the sitting room, coming over this other side. We'll be passing by over
Back.
over here, entering the room over here. We do our stuff.
Like for example, if
Yeah.
you enter to your room,
Yeah.
your mom can't know that maybe guy can enter
Yeah.
to a room.
Yeah.
What time?
Even let me say, not even one time. For example, if my mom has some guests, we'll not go around over there to pass over there, because we'll do the interference.
Yes.
So we'll pass by over this other side. We enter, and
Okay.
we'll not confuse. We'll not bring that. Is known as
Confusion.
confusion.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually,
Okay guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, it's time to go home. I leave this place. Oh, okay. Woo! That's an amazing view. We're heading home, guys. Unajua mimi ukiamka naweza rekodi. Hata kama nimeumia. Pole mre. This Gake's uncle's place right here. Wow. Okay. Guys, deeply from the village, heading home. Hey, look at this old cow right here. Wow. So guys, these are my friends right here, and also heading home. Can't imagine the small hotel right here. Woo! Let's go, guys. Me, I love to film my videos while I'm on the motorbike going home. Woo! Sometimes, guys, to film videos on motorbike, it's good. You get a good drive. Look.
You can sit there.
Yes.
There's someone maybe taking
Look at the cow right here. Okay guys, let's go. It's a quick adventure from darkest place to the Mohanse village to the world. Let's go. I want to meet my African mom in these videos. You know. Amazing day, guys, for us here. So guys, this side here. now we do even put my bumps in. Wow. Mabut, this is a rental house right here. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Keep moving. Okay. Woo. Imagine, guys. This is the house that we have in Africa here. Very nice. This is what a border shed right here. Okay. Let's go.
Yeah?
That's Kumawiki Orchids. This is how we have kibandas here. That's our school right there, a local school. I'm telling you. Wow. Now quick and tour from here. Iraha, right there. Hey, money bush. He says it's on me. Yes, it's a day school boarding. This is a primary school. Have a tank right there. Hey, set line right here. Means that the network is full here. It's a primary school, Iraha. When we pass on the other side, we meet secondary school. Also, there's a church right here. Kids are right there. Hey. Okay. Yo. Mga naghahanin. Ah. Hey guys. Just imagine. Look. There's a church. Every 2 kilometers church. People nowadays value. You're on motorbike. Okay. Kunywa supu. We see the dog drinking soup. On sufuria. On sufuria.
Not on.
In. On.
Yeah, you can see cassava plantation there.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. Unajua tunaongea sana mpaka kuna mistake. I see small kids running business. He is right there. Goats. Kana ni hivyo. Okay guys, let's go. Another vlog we meet on the tarmac road heading home. It's long distance from here, but I probably manage to go. Imagine, also it's a church. I mean, it's the same. Banana, we call matoke. Yes, papaya. Yes. It's not acacia. Well guys, when I'm passing here, I'll show you where I reach high. Between here. That's a curse. Or skuma wiki means to push the weak. You know skuma wiki means to push the weak. To push the weak. Skuma wiki. Skuma. In a skuma. In a skuma wiki. See guys. Hey, but building perimeter right here. Okay. Also we have a church. I'm telling every 2 kilometers this is a church. Oh my god. Look guys, it's good to believe in God. See another church? You think I'm joking? Hiyo ni kanisa Mungu mmoja. You've got a grace in there. Wow. So let me show you where rich people build. I see one of them, amongst popular richest guy here. You can see the house. There's a house right there, and it's a tall building house. Look, then the special gate right there. So guys, we shall meet on the tarmac. So keep going. This is a market side here, and let me show you government house, business house. Ah yeah. See, there is a government, there is a presidential house. Right there, guys. Super amazing. See, guys. You know, guys, President of Kenya built that house for the business, like rental house. You know, that's how our leader make money.
You hear that? You said that you won't come and rent there, so you have your house. So that is just house. You have the government house.
But you get very big. And today's a sport day, man. I'm telling you, sport day take on this school. Kubwe. Yes. Not Kibwe. On the other side, some is sport day. I think when I raise the camera, guys, you will see. You see spot day on the other side. Okay. Guys, right now we left the Muram Road. So right now we're going to meet the tarmac road, the most popular tarmac highway. Easy highway. That's
now the highway.
I think I'm Ramatani. That's what I'm highway. Highway hata ukitumufa. Uraisa mimi nakuona press mbele bana. Guys. Right now I'm heading home. So at the far end of the bridge. There's a bridge here. There's a bridge. Everybody's heading home. Go home. Back to life. Guys, this is how we prepare black coffee right here. You can see, and we have the firewood right now here. And as I speak, guys, most of the time I charge my power bank within here. So, oh, there's fire, man. Like it's going to, oh my God, look. And the stone have been like covered with mud. You can't tell. Okay, wow. And this also is a traditional stool or chairs. You can see how it's made from. So guys, I want to take you outside, like on this compound, to see what's going on. And right now here we have papaya. Yeah, this is a real farmer, guys, I'm telling you. We have avocado, also have papaya. Man, we have green sugar. Look how it's growing, you know, on this small compound. Look, we have a brown sugar. Man, it's by God's grace. And technically today I want to update you what's going on here. So I had the mason on the other side, and a house like this, the way it's have been built and from the way right now it is, I want to show you from the scratch how they start building the house in our village here. Wow, this is a small round right here. You can see nice flower. Hey. And I think in my compound I'm supposed to plant these trees. I cut that one that I have at my home. Oh, look at this. This is a palm tree. I'm telling you, it looks like finger palm. Oh my God. Wow. That's more rounded. That's how we dry our clothes. So I'm supposed to plant these trees at my home. I'm telling you guys. Wow. Let me show you guys once more. Look at this. This is for my friends. Try to say hello.
I'm good. I'm good.
You're a boss.
No, I'm not a boss. I'm a handman. I'm a handman.
Handman. You're a handman.
The boss is there. He's just think to.
Let's see the boss. The boss is working. So boss now. Boss is working. Hey. So guys, you see, right now here, that's how we build our house. And then this house, it will look like this house maybe later, not now. And now these are formwork. Formwork structure. What how you gonna tell me? Copyright again. Kikuria. Kikuria takwaje copyright.
Ukikaya kuri. Kikuria kile.
Sasa ngusumanzana tana mami kikuria.
Oyo.
Hey. And then on a sendera. And then you take this one, like you come back, like this. Like this, guys. So that's how we build our house in our village.
So hati.
Free of charge. Kwani hamna michanga hapo? Si utoe hii.
Tuchimbe ya kando.
Ngiko hapo ma.
Ona chimba hata hapo weke humu.
Nataka yombi. Atebe hata bano. Mwana mundu usiri chokwa. Hoje passo de graça, Vitinho.
Ah, tá no bukan kama bu.
Mura onde na hayo na chakwa tema basani vai. Ni zikara tuna kwa tata mwisi ke. Ni mwisi.
And then we put this right here for this to put the house to be straight. This string here, right here. Hey. Looking up to other side. Guys, if you're watching these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. Please subscribe, share, comment, like. So that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Fish. Guys, welcome to Brother Dagi. So I'm going to pay a visit, and you know, every each and single minute I give him advice. Do this, you know. As brotherhood, we keep improving. Hey, nice boy. Yeah. This is a nice borehole right here. You can't tell. Hey. Whoa. Look, man, it's so big. And then water is running like going that way. Wow. Oh my god. Kids are struggling to remove the cement. The remaining cement. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Wow. Right here we have the motorbike. You know. So anyway, guys, welcome to Brother Dagi's place. Actually, I'm going to say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm going to see the huge progress. These are lunch dishes. Hey, Chimbango Tamashir. I bet Kimukian. Right here we have the iron sheet. Let's see Kasongo himself. Hey, rich boss. What's up, guys? Hello, everyone. This is Brother Dagi, guys. First of all, welcome in the village.
Let's Brother Dagi talk to you guys. I'm so tired right now.
Okay, welcome in the village, my good friends. This is Brother Dagi. This is the project that I'm doing right now here in the home. And I thank God today we are going to finish because my mason right now here, I'm going to be able to show you the view of the work that it's going. Yeah. This is the work. This is the work that it's going on right now here. Hey, man.
Hello.
Yes,
Say hello.
Hi.
That's your brother.
How are you?
I'm very fine.
How is everything?
Everything is just okay.
I can see you are pushing,
As you
bro.
can see, I'm just pushing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey. Guys, this is Brother Dagi. We have been working hard here and there, trying to make sure that this project is gonna be able to finish. Right now, today we are outside here. What we are needing to put on this project, it's iron sheets. You can see.
Iron sheet?
Yes.
And then let me take you back.
Okay, we are fixing like that way. You can see my mason is upside.
Sometime maybe, you know this place. Hapa.
Yeah.
Utajaza matofali.
Yeah.
Moso hapa mtu akioga hapa huwezi sikia harufu ya choo.
Eh.
Or we put a ceiling board. You put a ceiling board?
Yeah, I will put. God willing, guys. Hey, it's a hard question, but God willing, God willing. If God opened the way, we will put the ceiling board.
You know toilet, it's something where you can sit comfortable.
Yes.
Like my toilet, bro. Let me tell you.
We will,
I can
bro.
spend there like 2 hours in my toilet.
Just sitting there.
Sitting on
Hey, enjoyment. It is what it is, guys. I don't know what do you think about today's video, but guys, we need your support.
They put you
At least when you see a work like this going on in the village, I'm appreciating you. We are appreciating you because you are the one who's supporting us. And also, according to how you are moving every single day in the village, updating you how the work going. Hey, my good people, Brother Dagi, Hello Baby Official here.
Yeah, I'm just over
Hey, guys, God bless you a million times because without you, maybe we cannot be the place where we are, guys. Every single day you can see we are progressing here and there. It's because of you, our good viewers. God bless you a million times, a million times, because through you, that's how you can see Brother Dagi. He's here smiling and Hello Baby smiling. You know, if you know, you know. So please, kindly, please, guys, this work we're gonna be able to finish today by fixing the iron sheet upside, because the iron sheet already we have bought. It's right now here, you know, and the color it's white one.
Hey, you managed to pay the mason at the borehole right here. Hey, you're a rich boss now. It's by God's grace.
It's
bro.
by God's grace.
Hey, to be a rich.
It's by God's grace, guys.
Rich boss.
It's by God's grace. I'm telling you the
Yes.
truth, because you know, like 1 week ago, it's God miracle. We have reached where we are.
Yeah, you
It's
told me.
God. It's God miracle.
And I give you
Yes.
like I give you some
Ideas and
idea.
advice, you know. Bro, I'm appreciating
If you
for
get
what you're
maybe
doing.
10 USD,
Yes.
try to push on your project.
Yeah,
you
it's
see right
true.
now?
Yeah.
But if you want to say, okay, when I get maybe enough money, I want to start poop and then I finish poop.
Hey, no.
Small,
No,
small,
sir.
small.
Little,
until we
little,
finish.
until we finish.
Yes.
Hey, me,
Pole,
I'm
pole.
appreciating, guys. Pole.
Kuna
Hey,
teseko embe ticho utajenga lini.
pole. Hey, guys.
Wote
Me,
unajua kwa teseke chondo.
me, I'm appreciating. And also, guys,
You have your
from
message.
this video, I know, my princess, you are watching this video. God bless you a million times. God bless you a million times. Because all over the world, if you know you are a mom,
Or a
from
dad.
all over the world, God bless you a million times.
Even a dad. bro.
Even a dad, God bless you a million times.
Even-
God bless you guys.
Even a brother
Hey,
like you,
yes.
some outside there watching you,
God,
your
even
sister watching
brother
you.
like me, even a sister, the age mate, you are like me. God bless you a million times. Because you are supporting us by watching the video.
I
here,
like
they
your
are supporting-
energy.
Yeah, it's true, man.
Time but the 100 ankor kini.
Eh, tahirangora.
Tara the 100 maha. Eh. Na anko get out to the money gari so kincha ni endera. Presso no mane henkuro. No mane henkuro. Sasa nataka nikuwekea simu yako ya safe. Na kwa ngoja tuba digital. Guys, we try to talk with brother Dagi, but stay tuned. Guys, right now I dropped my friend at Nyabohansa, so I'm keep going home. You know. At least, guys, right now, by God's grace, we have home. Where we calling home, you know. And I'm going to talk with my mama. Yeah, I love to vibe with my mama on my videos, guys. In a few minutes. Okay. Look at the side. So that being said, guys, I can't rotate my neck. So it's paining. Wow. And then I'll come to check our cow. Hey, I see my mama. Hey, mama, why? Hi. Hi. Guys, let me say hello to my mama. Hey. Oh my God, that's our cow. Right on time, I found Mama going to cut napier grass for the cow. Hey. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You're going to cut napier grass? Where? Don't be going to her. Okay, Mama, I think I will carry you on the motorbike as we go Tangan. Guys, let me carry my mama on the motorbike. So she went to cut the napier grass. Actually, she bought the napier grass on the other side. So let me pick my mama. No, it's good when I'm around here. Yaboni! Yaboni! Yeah, I called my sister to pick my jacket. No, right now it's too hot. Mabunji. Eh, that's my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister, guys. So today's on Wednesday, and then it's a sport day, you know. Guys, hey. At all, no kerosene. No kerosene, mama. Hakuna mafuta. Totaya. Guys, no kerosene. Sorry for that. But let me keep giving my mama company. Going and cutting napier grass. We have blocks here. My mom's dream house, and we need to add more blocks as we can. But probably, guys, thank you so much. You know, to buy 2,500 blocks is not easy thing, and the one trip like that goes to $500. That's 53,000 Kenyan shillings, cash money. Hey, African mom. Umepika mama? Na nini?
Mchere.
Mchele? Mchele means rice. Mchele wenyewe? Hauna viazi? Hauna hata sukuma? Maharage? Hey mama, you know you must cook rice with maybe veggies, cooking rice with maybe banana or kales or beans, mama. Hey, it's not advisable to eat plain rice, mama. Hey, also kirikoga. I'm asking my mama, did you finish to dig at my brother's place? Mama saying no, right now. No. Okay, if you don't know who I'm speaking with, that's my mom. Right now, this is a sunflower. Right here. Gang. Eh. Ahanan. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Keep moving on.
give my mama company to show where my mama cut napier grass. You know, in our village here, as long as when you have money, you can able to buy napier grass, you cut, and then they brought for our cows. But sorry guys, I'm supposed to take him with my motorbike, but no gasoline because I use my gasoline to go at Gake's place, and then it's a long distance from Nyabuhansi up to where Gake built my dream house. Oh, guys, it's too long. It's too far right now from my home. Imagine my mama can walk every day going to cut napier grass. Wow, we have guavas right here. Yeah, you can peel it for free because nobody can just, okay, you peel my guavas. Da, 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 da. No. Hey, let's go. I want to show you how my mom works so hard. In the morning, she was in the farm at my brother's place. Right now, she came and cook and eat, and then she relaxed after a few minutes, and then went to cut napier grass. You know, when you eat, you make sure that our cow also eats. Hey, with a panga, there's a panga right there. Hey, a serious African mom. Wow. Look at this side here. Another beautiful house right here. You can tell in the comment section. It's built by using bricks. But hello baby, by God's grace, my mom's house, it will be built by using blocks. Man, for those people who do or who build their homes, he or she, you know how hectic it is, you know, buying materials, buying cement, like rubber money here and there. Oh my God. But we manage, no pressure at all, no competition. We keep doing our own things, you know. Like I personally am alone. I'll make sure that my family eats, my family puts something on table, and also I buy materials. Man, me when I get, maybe for example, when I get $1, I'm trying to balance that $1, and our budget gets well organized. Even also here you can't pass with a motorbike because you have stones and all stuff. You see right here, it's breaking your motorbike. Look, these stones here. But we almost to reach where my mama going to cut napier grass, guys. I'm telling you, when I came from other side where I was shooting my videos, and then I said, you know what, I must say hello to my mom. Right on time, I found my mama going and cutting napier grass. Right, this is a coffee plantation right here. Let's go. Amazing view. Go. Eva, very hard. So this is a fence covered by mabati. This is Crowd Joseph's home right here. See guys, and I want to show you a bulletproof house. Just a minute, guys. 1, 2, 3. There's a bulletproof house right there, painted with pink and white color. This is where my mama came to cut napier grass. We walk, guys, for sure we walk. Hey, that's maize. It's growing so big. Oh my God. Mama buy the napier grass on this other side, on these people's home. Rono. Iritina drapen. Oh, kemana bireng?
Raskora sore kon. So you can. Oh my god. Dia tenda ruki ne mo ko ba. You watch tenga kengon tianin ruki. Okay guys, see. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And then these are mama cats, the napier grass, take the cow. I wanna say guys, bye bye. We shall meet on the next video guys. Bye. I love you.